welcome to the Garage Uncle Rider. So today's video is for the safety tips for all two-wheelers riders. Safety should always be a top priority when riding a two-wheelers. Here are some of the essential riding tips to help you stay safe while enjoying the motorcycle rides. Riding tips number 1. Wear protective gears. Always wear a DOT approved helmet to protect your head in case of a fall or accidental. Wear appropriate riding gear such as gloves, jackets, pants and boots to safeguard your body from injury. So you should wear a proper helmet, good size of good helmet, and a proper jacket and a boot during any ride when you are going for the ride. Make sure that you wear a proper complete safety gears and go for the ride. Riding tips number 2. Ride defensively. Keep a safe distance from other vehicles and be prepared to react quickly to change of road condition. So this basically, like if you are going on a distance, long distance ride, make sure you keep a safe distance from a front vehicle or a rear vehicle. In case of any emergency or braking or something, you should have that distance properly, and you should be prepared about the quick changes on the road condition also. Safety tip number 3. Practice smooth riding. Smooth throttle controls, braking and cornering are essential for the safety riding. Avoid sudden movements or jerky inputs that could disable your bike. Riding tips number 4. Stay visible. Increase your visibility by wearing a bright color gear, using a reflective material, and keep your motorcycle headlights on during your ride. You should wear always a bright color jackets or a helmet, or use a reflector on your bike or maybe on your jackets for the visibility of the other fellow riders, and make sure that you ride with the headlights on during your night riding. Safety tip number 5. Obey traffic laws. Follow all the traffic rules and regulations, including speed limits, lane marking, and traffic signals. Riders, please make sure that you follow the speed limits. Whenever you go for the ride, there is a speed limits written on the left hand side or the right hand side. There is a glow sign which is written whether the speed limit till 80 on that particular road or 100 on that particular road. Make sure that you stay with that limit which is given. Lane marking is also something which you need to follow or during any ride of the during any of the rides. And traffic signals, so it's definitely you should follow a traffic signal. Make sure that whenever it's a ride, you should stop anywhere wherever the red light is there. Safety tips number 6. Scan your surrounding. Continuously scan the roads ahead. Check your mirrors frequently and be aware of your surrounding. Looks out for the potholes, derbies, or any sudden changes in the traffic flow. This means basically like whenever you go for the ride, as we are going for the ride, it's basically not a region or something, or not a prominent road where we are riding regularly. So whenever you go for the ride, make sure that you scan the surrounding. You need to check whether the roads are good or not, or maybe wherever the surrounding where you are going which is good or not, or you should keep eyes on both the side of the roads for making it aware about it, how the surrounding is all about, for the potholes or derbies, or there is a sudden changes in the traffic or something. Safety tip number 7. Maintain your bike. Regularly inspect your motorcycles for a sign of wear or a mechanical issue. Ensure that tires are properly inflated, brakes are good in conditions, and all the lights and signals are functioning correctly. You are going for the ride, make sure before riding 10 to 15 days, make sure that you do a good maintenance of your bike, do a proper service of your bike in that case, and the brake and the electrical checkup are must thing for the riders to check it during their ride times. There should be a proper light, all the electrical should be working properly. Make sure that you carry a brake liners with you. In case of any emergency, you can change the brake pads at the particular time. Before going for the ride, do check your tires properly and ensure that your tires are inflated with the proper air PSI in your tires. Do hit the like button and subscribe button if you think this video is helpful for you or the riders, and if you think this video is really helpful, share it to your fellow riders also. Thank you very much and happy riding. Always be safe and be happy.